To withdraw money from an ATM, start by taking your debit card to the nearest bank location. Once you've located the ATM, touch the screen to initiate the process. After a few seconds, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN. Once you've done so, select the main menu option. The ATM will take a moment to process, and then it will present you with a range of options, including withdrawing cash or selecting a fast cash option for a predetermined amount, such as $40. To proceed, choose the withdraw cash option, and then select the desired amount. For example, $60. The ATM will then ask if you need a receipt, to which you can respond by choosing to print one. The ATM will then count out the selected amount, and once it's finished, you can collect your cash from the dispenser at the bottom of the machine.